Hi, my name is Mark from Econo-Air. We are an air conditioning and heating repair company with the goal of having the best customer service while at the same time giving you the highest quality at a fair price.
Recently, we had relatives from out of town staying with us. The last thing I expected was the AC to run out, but it did. I immediately called Econo-Air, and within the hour, a uniformed serviceman arrived. He quickly diagnosed the failure of my unit, also giving me options for repair. I would definitely recommend Econo-Air to family and friends.
At Econo-Air, the top priority is the customer. Econo-Air will service, repair, and maintain all makes and models, ensuring your AC or heating unit is online and reliable each and every time that you use it. At Econo-Air, you can rest assured that the quality of service and repair will be backed up with a lifetime warranty. Guaranteed. Econo-Air is licensed, bonded, and insured for your protection. Econo-Air. Fast and fair, definitely quality, at a fair price.